I'm John David Stewart. I am an integrated marketing communications major, and I'm from Searcy, Arkansas. The summer after I graduated high school, I got strep throat and was kind of incapacitated for a few days and just got very bored. And I started doodling these cats and did not think anything was going to come from that. Somehow it spread, and my first strip that I did got retweeted by HU First Experience, and from that somebody from Student Publications reached out to me and asked if they could feature my comics in the Bison. And I was about to go study abroad, and I said, well, I can't really do anything else, but I can send you what I've already done. And then when I got back from studying abroad, they asked to hire me full-time on staff, and so in the spring and in this semester, I am their official illustrator. A lot of my inspiration just comes from interacting with people on campus and seeing things, and it's just things that I would think was funny if I was scrolling through on Twitter and seeing that, like, oh, I can relate to that. I think it's been beneficial for people on social media and in the paper to see them because they're lighthearted. Having just sort of a spark of joy or just of fun on your timeline and your feed, I think it helps lift people's spirits, and people look forward to seeing them, and I look forward to seeing people read them and laugh, and I'm glad that I'm able to contribute to that.